If I see some monkeys, I want to take some pictures.
Okay.
We don't have a lot of monkeys in Canada.
Oh.
Just in the zoo.
Oh. But
Yeah.
in all of India, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So all of India, many. And damage the crops.
Yeah, they damage the crops. That's why we had to get rid of the monkeys from Canada. They were damaging all the crops, you know, the bananas and the oranges and stuff.
Yeah. So actually, in India, worship the monkeys.
Yes, worship the monkeys here.
Monkey, yeah. Actually, so goats, monkeys. So worship Hindus.
Yeah.
Not die the monkeys.
Don't kill the monkey. Yeah. Back in Canada, we worship the beaver.
Beaver.
You know this animal?
Yeah. But beaver in the zoo. Not.
Sometimes the beaver is in the river. Sometimes the beaver is in the areas where the dancing and drinking occurs.
Yes.
There's different kinds of beavers.
Yes.
In Canada. Most of the people worship the young beaver.